Is dental surgery less painful than dealing with your outsourcing IT company? Would you rather rub chili flakes in your eyes than log a help request with your managed IT service company? Is this you? Hold on a second, I've got a computer problem. I've got to call our tech company. Hello? Hello? Frustrating, isn't it? You have a technology problem that you need addressing, you pick up the phone to call their help desk, and all you get is,
"Hello, please leave your message after the tone."
Or, even worse, yeah, sorry, can't help you. Gotta send an email to the help desk. Makes you want to scream, doesn't it? Almost every IT company is the same. They look great at the beginning, they're attentive to your needs, they promise the world, and they have glowing testimonials and references, and all this changes once you give them that check. Well, there is a better way. When you have tech issues, you need help, and you need help now. Even better, how about having no problems at all? We're all allowed to dream a little, right? Tech problems happen, and when they do, you need an IT partner to help you, not add to your frustration. It's time to punt your current IT company and start your game-winning drive with us as your outsourced IT company. It's simple. Pick up the phone or send us an email. Our contact information is in the description below, and our team will contact you immediately and start the process to end your outsourced tech frustrations.